we'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox not syncing on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox application on your Mac. You need to click on the Dropbox icon in the menu bar of your screen. From here, click your avatar icon, then go to the Preferences by clicking on your profile picture or initials, and select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, make sure you're under the Sync tab. Check that the Selective Sync option is set correctly. Sometimes files or folders aren't syncing because they're not selected for syncing. Make sure all the files and folders you want to sync are checked. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause syncing issues, so ensure that you're connected to a reliable network. Another thing you can do is restart the Dropbox application. To do this, click on the Dropbox icon in the menu bar again, then click on your profile picture or initials and select Quit Dropbox. After quitting, reopen Dropbox from your Applications folder. If the problem persists, consider updating Dropbox to the latest version. You'll find the Check for Updates option under the Dropbox menu in the menu bar. Keeping your software up to date can often resolve syncing issues. Lastly, check the available storage on your Dropbox account. If you're running low on space, you may need to upgrade your plan or clear out some files to free up space. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.